Good morning all. You're welcome today. For this step 2 of learning Lumion. We are on our Revit. We are going to go through how we can transfer our plan to Lumion. So you must be in your 3D plan. Transfer it to Lumion. You must be on your 3D plan. And most of the time, when I want to transfer my plan to Lumion, I always delete every object I want to move, rotate from my Revit plan. Like this gate, I will delete it before I will transfer it to Lumion. And something like this car, Lumion has its own objects, and most of the time I use the objects in Lumion. Or I can go to every other website and also get a better object, or I can also use this object, but I won't transfer this object or this dot together with this full, because I will want to move this. I will want it to be moving in my video, and also this gate I want it to move in my video. So that's the main reason why I will not, transfer it, because when you transfer them together, it will not move. If you want to rotate this or you want to move it, it will be moving along with the building, with your building. So it is advisable you don't move it. But that of the lights, especially the external lights, you cannot model in Revit anyway. In Lumia, you can't model in Lumia. Whatever you want to model, you do it in your Revit, or you go to other website and get the model, then transfer it to Lumia. So that is how you can work in Lumia. This is my Lumia. Lumia is also an art. It's a rendering art to ArchiCAD or Revit, and also other site or other app you can use for design. Like there are other means too to transfer your 3D to Lumia without having it attached this way, or without having the live stream. You can send this 3D app directly to your Lumia if you are using Lumia 10, 8, 12.5. But if you are using Lumia 6, it is always advisable to change this. You will first of all save this to a file called collider file. Through that collider file, you can now transfer it to your Lumia. You will also save these cards and the gates if you wish to move any of them. Go to the doors, whatever you wish it to move in your video, you will have to save it, model it, save it separately from the full building, and import it differently. After importing the full video, you now import this differently and fix it. Then while doing your video, you can show it moving. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I will go here. I will click on this door. go to edit family, then I will save it. I'll go to save as. I'll save as family. Then I'll go here, I'll say, yes, I know I have it already, but let me save this. I'll say my gate plan. Yeah, I know. Then I remove this maximum backup to 1, then I save it and save. So I have saved this door. I've saved it. You have to save it. For most time when we get to a model, we adjust the model to fit our plan. So that's why we are saving this with a different name. So after you have saved, you just say download into project. Then another thing we will do is to delete this. We are deleting this. We delete it. You go to the next tab. You go to the next tab. You delete it. You go to this, you delete it. So before you also click on this and you save it. Say save as. You save it as project. You save it as project. Get plan. You go to your option. Do this and save it as 1. You save it. I know I'm saving those. I save it twice. I save the door as family and I also save it as a project. Let's see how we go about it. You allow save. So it's now saved. So you have your gate plan, you have your normal plan. You have your plan and your normal plan. So the gate plan is there. So you go to 3D, go to 3D of this. You delete this. You delete this. you delete this door, this gate. After deleting it, you go to Lumion. You must be on 3D, remember. Then you click on export. You can say start live stream, but this always work with Lumion, Lumion 8 and above. So I prefer using this export. When you say export, you see collect texture. You say export. To come to this place, you choose where you will save it. But as you can see, it's saving here. So this is collage file. You can see the collage file. So you say save. You save it. So you have saved it. Collage file. So you go back to your architecture and look the Lumion. Now find a way to go to the door, to the gate. So yes, so you go to your gate. Go to the gate. So you go to that of the gate. You try and delete everything here. So you go to your ground floor. You go to your site. Delete everything and leave only the gates. View. Survey points. Remove this survey point. Remove these views. You uncheck that survey point. Furnitures. You delete everything. You apply. So I have succeeded in deleting everything. It's just remaining only the gates. So this is the gate. Let's see. Let's see the 3D gate. So this is the gate. So this is the gate. I will save this as first gate. As save as project. First gate. First gate. Then you change option to one. Save. Then you go to site plan. allow it to save. Then you go to site plan. You click on this base point. Now drag this to this place. Drag it. You zoom. Drag it to this point. So you can be able to control the rotate. You drag it to the center. Let's put it to the center. Then you go to your 3D. Then go to Lumion. Then you export it to colographer. Say export. Export to colographer. First gate plan. Second. So then you go back. Find a way to edit this. Components. You get this. Save as. So let me save this. Yes, save it. My mouse has been disturbing me. Save as project ports. One gate. So you're cutting this. You take your time and delete everything here. Let's get the second one. We go to ground floor. We go to ground floor. Oh, so you have gotten the gate. You have gotten the gate. You will not send these gates. Remove it as a colonial file. Let's remove this. You have saved as a colonial file before, but let's go ahead. Let's delete all this. This is the gate we did. So let's delete all this. We have gotten the gate. is it? Delete everything, just make sure only the survey points are there. So as it is, you drag this survey points, drag it. Make sure you drag it to this point where you can control the takes. Yeah. I go to your 3D. You go to your 3D. Make sure you delete everything in this 3D. Go to Lumion. Export this collider file. But one gate. One. It's okay. When you have exported everything to collider file, you go to your Lumion 6. Let's use Lumion 6. Let's use display. Then you go to import. You go to import. Go to where you import your model. Then first of all, import your plan. Visit, import, ammunition. Remove this, you check it. It's okay. That's this one. So this is it. You have imported your dryer. You can see it. So it's now left for you to turn it around and see what you have done. You have imported your dryer. You can see it. So you rotate it the way you want. Move it. Position it. Then you import another one. You go to import again. Go to import again. Import. Go to import again. You go to this port one to import the gate. Import it. Placed it. You can see the port here. The port is here for this door. Why for the full building, look at the port here. You can see the difference why you need to import this different. You shift this, you drag it. When you click it, you move it. Move, move it this way. You move it this way. But again, same ports. Okay, you can see it's showing provide a definite that you need to remodel. Okay, let's import it again. Let's see if you can see we have imported another one. So it's now left for us to delete this, delete this, and you rotate this. Let's rotate it. Let's rotate it. delete this, delete this. Yes. Mm. No, you move this. Use your normal key to arrange it the way you want. So you can arrange it door the way you feel it should be. Move, move. I think you are getting it. Hope you are understanding it. So this is how to import your import your model from Revit to. We are not using the car model from Revit. We will be importing it from this Lumion. We have some in this Lumion. If you go to people, animals, indoors, this you can see some doors. Look, transport, you can see some doors too. You can see some cars in transport. So we are going to use those things. But for this gate, I haven't seen such. So I'm using this. I'm using what I use in Revit. So this is it. So I hope you understand it. So with the different ports here, with this port here, I can move. If I want to move this house, now this model, I can use this port to move it, and this will be left aside. This gate will be left aside. But every other thing is here, we move with it. If I want to move only this gate, I will click to this port here and move it. If I want to rotate it, I click to this and rotate it. That's the essence of importing this differently, because in my video, I want this gate to move. You know, that's the essence of it. So I hope you understood this. I'm going to take my time to arrange this door to fit to this wall. For now, this is all for today for this lecture. Thank you very much for watching. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you so much.